Hello everybody and welcome to my 6th Microsoft Access 2013 tutorial. This tutorial I'm just going to go a little bit more into normalization because I just want to show you one of the built-in tools you can use in Access in order to normalize your database. So I've got my sales table again, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Database Tools and then Analyze Table. And then I'm going to click on Next, and then Next, and then I'm going to have my sales table, and then I'm going to let the wizard decide, and then click on Next, and then what it's going to do is it's actually going to build the table for me. Now it's done it a little bit weirdly here, so it's matched up the user ID wrong with the item number. So what I just need to do is just take the user ID out there and then put it in multiple places. So user ID, and then let's actually go back and go, no, I want to decide. And we'll just pull the things out. So we want to take sale ID in there, but user ID we want to take out, put in a separate table called users. Press OK. And then at the moment it's going to generate a unique user ID. I actually want to put my primary key on user ID, so I press this primary key button up here. And then we're going to move username and user age out into here. We're also going to rename that table to sales. And press let's call it sales new. And then we want the user ID to go into a lookup to users, and we've got a 1 to infinity, which is exactly what we want. I'm then going to move my item number out into a separate table called items, and I'm doing exactly the same thing as I was before, but you just notice how much easier it is to do than creating all your own new things. So let's press primary key on there, item name, item cost, and then we've got to look up to items. So let's press next, and we can have queries based on a query name sales if we want. That will just create us a query that will generate the table as it used to be. I'm just going to click on no, press finish, and press OK, and then now you'll notice that it's created me a new sales table, and it's just got my lookup and my new users and my new items. So it's just a quicker way of doing it. It just breaks everything else out for you nicely. The lookup bit is a bit weird, so you might want to change that, but it's also not that bad either. It looks quite nice, so I'm going to leave it as that. But that is a quick way to do it using the Analyze Table tool. So thanks for listening. I'll catch you in the next tutorial where I will go into linking tables.